It's really, really bad. In fact, it's one of the worst, if not the worst, head nettings I've ever seen in my life. There's some bad damage there, some really, really bad damage there. So I'm getting straight in the bag. Netting is, if you've got it and you don't need it, get rid of it. It's the harshest thing on wildlife, all through our oceans and on land. It causes damage absolutely everywhere. Thankfully, this homeowner has seen this. She's called us straight away, and now that snake is free, and we can go treat him. Okay, we'll see you later.